my dear students. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic of class 9th history, that is the Russian Revolution. Beta, Russian Revolution is a very important revolution or a very interesting topic of a modern world history. This revolution is also known by the name of the first socialist revolution in the modern world history. Why? Because by this revolution it was the first time that the socialism established in the world. Russian Revolution is also known by the name of a Bolshevik Revolution. Why Russian Revolution is also said to be the Bolshevik Revolution? Because when the Russian Revolution took place, after that the political party which came into power in Russia was the Bolshevik party. That's why the revolution also known as the Bolshevik Revolution. Okay? But as in previous chapter you studied, previous chapter was the Russian Revolution. In that you studied that there was a monarchy. As in India, you know, there was a monarchy. In European countries also there was a monarchy. Then the revolutions occur, like that of the French Revolution. Here the Russian Revolution occur, which overthrow the monarchy, and then the republican or different type of the government, parliamentary form of government established. The same case here we study regarding the Russian Revolution. Before the coming of the Russian Revolution in Russia, कब आता है? In the year 1917. Remember, very important. Russian Revolution took place in 1917. And the revolution came in two parts. When you talk about the Russian Revolution, it consists of two parts. Okay? One is the February Revolution and another one is the October Revolution. Russian Revolution consists of a February Revolution and the October Revolution. What happened in February? In February Revolution, the monarchy was overthrown. Okay? And in October Revolution, the new government was established, that was the Bolshevik government. That's why February and October Revolution together form a Russian Revolution, or together known as the Russian Revolution or the Bolshevik Revolution or the First Socialist Revolution. And the revolution took place in the year 1970. Okay? Now beta, firstly, before starting a chapter in detail, I am going to tell you briefly about the chapter, what you are going to study in the chapter. In the chapter, firstly, I will tell you the background of the Russian society, which type of the society was there in Russia, which type of a government was there in Russia. Okay, before the coming of the Russian Revolution, that is before 1970. Okay, after that we discuss about the February Revolution. फिर उसके 1917 से पहले का हमने पढ़ लिया, उसके 1917 आता है. In the month of February the revolution occurred, which was against the monarch. Then the monarchy was overthrown. ठीक है? After that then we discuss about the October Revolution and the changes brought in the society or in Russia in the October Revolution. After that we study that how the Russian Revolution have an impact on the world. Okay, this is all about we study in the chapter. Now beta, firstly, before starting the chapter, one more thing I want to tell. As I am telling you, there was a monarchy in Russia as that of the France. France में जो monarch था, you know what was the name of the king in France? Louis XVI. And he belonged to a Bourbon monarchy. ठीक है? In a similar way, you remember here also. Here in Russia, the family which was ruling was known as the Romanov dynasty. R-O-M-A-N-A-V. Romanov dynasty. जैसे रशिया, फ्रांस में कौन थे? बोर्बन डायनेस्टी रूल कर रही थी. इंडिया में आपने देखा मुगल एम्पायर थी. द फैमिली वॉज नोन बाय द, दे वर कॉल्ड द मुगल्स ना. इन अ सिमिलर वे रशिया में जो किंग रूल कर रहा था, ही बिलोंग टू अ रोमेनोव फैमिली. So the dynasty known as the Romanov dynasty. Okay, and the name of the king was Nicholas II. And बेटा रशिया में किंग को बोलते हैं जार, C-Z-A-R, जार, or you can also spell zar as T-S-A-R, zar. Okay, Tsar, you can write Tsar by C also, by T also. Tsar Nicholas II. So in Russia there was a monarchy, and the name of the monarch who was ruling when the Russian Revolution came was the Tsar Nicholas II, and he belonged to a Romanov dynasty. Now regarding his wife name was Tsarina Alexandria. क्या नाम है? Tsarina. जैसे ये जार है ना, क्वीन, किंग इज अ जार एंड क्वीन इज Tsarina. ओके, Tsarina Alexandria. Tsarina Alexandria. Okay, and she belonged to a German. She was a German princess. जैसे हमने बेटा यहाँ पर साथ के साथ फ्रांस को भी रिमाइंड करते रहो, सो डैट यू विल नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज, एज वेल एज यू कैन कोरिलेट द थिंग एंड रिमेंबर द थिंग मोर नाइसली. ओके, वहां पर क्या था, लुई 16 की वाइफ का नाम, रिमेंबर दैट. एंड फ्रॉम वेयर शी बिलोंग टू अ Prussian princess. Okay, this is all about the king. Now beta we study about the Russian Empire. रशियन एम्पायर इन 1914 में रशियन एम्पायर कितनी वास्ट थी, कहाँ कहाँ एक्सटेंडेड थी. द रशियन एम्पायर वॉज सो वास्ट, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द एरिया अराउंड मॉस्को. ये अभी भी रशिया में, जो रशिया का प्रेजेंट एरिया है वो, एंड द प्रेजेंट डे कंट्रीज लाइक द फिनलैंड, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, and it also consists of some part of the Poland, Ukraine, and Belarus. All means the Russian Empire was extended from that of the Pacific Ocean to the Central Asian land. Means the empire was so vast. Okay, so this is the territorial expansion. Territorial expansion of the Russian Empire before the Russian Revolution, means in the year 1940. Now after this, the population, the religion, the people, which religion the people practice in Russia, the religion. Majority of the population in Russia belong to a Russian Orthodox Christianity. They practice the Russian Orthodox Christianity. It came directly from the Greek Orthodox Christian Church. उसी को ये लोग फॉलो करते थे. But they were also the people who practiced the Catholic, Protestant, Muslim, and they were also the people like the Catholic, Protestant, Muslim, and the Buddhist. But these religious practices were in minority and they were in majority. बेटा ये Catholic और Protestant क्या है? These two are the parts of the Christianity. Okay. So in this lecture, I told you what you are going to study in the chapter. Then I told you about the king, the monarch, who was ruling the Russian Empire at that time, the territorial expansion of Russia, as well as the religion practiced by the people at that time. Thank you.